In the phase 2 of lockdown situation, the people of Chandigarh are not going to compromise with their taste. Despite knowing there is a lockdown and curfew-like situation in the entire city and all the shops have been closed and even the administration is delivering all the essential things to their doorsteps, but they are still demanding for certain things to get delivered. And they are demanding to their area councillors to get the things delivered. We are standing outside a particular brand of a baker from where the people are seeking the baked bread. We have spotted a team of councillors who is trying to deliver to the people according to the demand. That a demand was of baked bread, and we have spotted the area councillor here outside this bakery. We'd like to talk to him and get some information. Mr. Maheshindra Singh Sidhu, just tell me one thing. What kind of demands you are getting in as the residents are under the lockdown? They are not coming out from their houses, but still they are not compromising with their taste?
Absolutely. I am getting a number of demands. Some are very, very genuine, like people, senior citizens, elderly, wanting some medicines or some other daily need items. But then at the same time, there are people who kind of are raising unnecessary or unreasonable demands, I would say. Some want exotic fruits, some want particular brand of milk, and that too some people want something or the other. Then some people want bread from faraway sectors, but they would want a particular brand of bread. Like, for example, we are standing outside a shop. So they want bread from this particular shop, not from any neighborhood shop, which otherwise should have been the case.
So how you deal this such kind of situation? Just because all the essential items are being delivered on the doorsteps and administration are running several buses also to the different sectors, and this is the kind of something new demands that people are not going to compromise with their situation?
Exactly. Now, this is what I am trying to say. People are not willing to compromise on the needs. Right now, the need of the day is that people should only take care, and we are absolutely taking care of all things, the necessities of life. So the daily needs item, that should be there, and we are providing everything at their doorstep. We have milk delivery boys going around. We have got vegetable buses going around, fruits, everything is taken care of. But people wanting unnecessary things, this is not done and not fair. Like somebody asked me for a pass to play golf.
Yes, exactly. My next question is that, is this the kind of only demands you are getting in to deliver the such kind of particular breads to their doorsteps, or anything else also you are getting the calls?
No, I am getting calls from people. Somebody says they want liquor, expensive imported liquor. So somebody says that they want to play golf. Kindly provide 1 or 2 passes for people to go and play golf.
Hi everyone, I'm Sujarita Kukreti. Thanks for checking out Republic World. If you would like to watch more show highlights and live coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to download the Republic World News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.